Hi guys, and welcome to your channel Data Alchemy. In this tutorial we are going to talk about two things that are very important, which are the primary key and the foreign keys. So uh, let's go to Excel for the moment. Let's say I have the customers table where I have the customer ID, the customer name, the address, and the phone number. Okay, and I have the orders table. I have the order ID, order date, customer ID, total amount, and status. Okay, so let's say I want an output where I have the first column should be the customer name, and the second column the total amount that this customer has spent. So unfortunately we have the customer name in a table, and the total amount is in a different table. So what's the solution? The solution is using the primary keys and the foreign keys. So what is a primary key and what is a foreign key? A primary key is, go to the customer table, is a column. Okay, it's a column that contains unique values and cannot have null values. Let's say it's sorry, like that. If I that's a null value in SQL, but it's not gonna work if I want to determine the customer ID as the primary key of this table, because I have a null value. That's it for the primary key. Now, what is a foreign key? A foreign key is a primary key in a first table, and it is a regular column in a second table. So if you notice, we have the customer ID, which is the primary key in the customers table, and we have the customer ID in the orders table. Okay, so it's the primary and foreign keys that allow us to build the relationship between two or more tables. Okay, so we are going to talk how we can create and determine a primary and a foreign key.
Hey, real quick, guys. If you need to book a lesson completely tailored based on your needs, you can find a link in the description below where you can book a lesson with me. See you in the classroom. Bye bye.
Here I already wrote the code. So create table customers. Okay, we are creating this table at the moment. Okay, so customer ID, and next to its data type we type primary key, because we want to set the customer ID as the primary key for the customers table. Okay, etc. We write the column names and their data types. We insert the values, etc. Now for the orders table. For the orders table we have a primary key, which is the order ID, and we have a foreign key, which is the customer ID. So just as I said, order ID, int for integer, which is its data type, and next to it we write primary key. Okay, order date, and sorry. And when we want to insert the name of the foreign key, we just type its name and its data type. Okay, blah 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 blah. And at the end, when we are done with creating the column names and their data types, we write foreign key, okay, and between parentheses we type the name of the column that we just created, which is customer ID. If you notice, right here we have ID in lowercase, okay, and here in the customer table ID is in uppercase. I know I said that's lower or uppercase, it doesn't matter, I just did it to let you know that's the difference, okay. So customer ID, the name of the column that we want to set it as the foreign key. Then references, from where we are getting this foreign key. We are getting it from the customer table and the name of that column in that table, okay. Customer ID. Okay, so guys, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and as usual, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I will be very happy to answer it. And yeah, don't forget to press the like button and to subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.